At Al-Nao teaching hospital in Omdurman, corridors that once echoed with the sounds of shells are now filled with patients again, a sign of recovery in a place that never shuts its doors, even at the height of war. Doctors here say the hospital was hit 4 times and they lost some of their colleagues.
الوضع كان صعب
We were one step away from death, whether from shelling, bullets, or snipers. The militia surrounded the hospital and entered several times. Its location made it the closest to the front lines, and we were exposed to sniper fire even inside. We moved between buildings like we were on a battlefield. If you ask why we stayed, there is no simple answer. It's our sense of duty to this country and its people. As doctors, we have skills that can save a life, and that was enough to keep us here.
Among those who stayed throughout the fighting is Dr. Muhammad, a member of the young medical team that kept services running when movement around the city was nearly impossible.
These were unbearable days. The attacks reached hospitals, and Al-Nao was targeted because it was the only facility receiving large numbers of the wounded. At times, more than 100 cases arrived in a single day, many from the capital. We treated children, even infants. Entire families were lost. Yet organizations and local residents came with blood donations and supplies. Their support kept us standing when everything else was collapsing.
Now, as more wards reopen and patient numbers rise, the hospital is slowly rebuilding its capacity. Dr. Al-Tayyib was awarded the Aurora Prize for Awakening Humanity and immediately dedicated to his staff.
I still don't know who nominated me or who voted. This honor goes to a public sector doctor. My colleagues and I showed the world that even in wartime, healthcare in Sudan never stopped.
For patients and doctors here, recovery is still fragile, but Al-Nao remains a lifeline in a city that once feared losing its last working hospital. During Khartoum's toughest days, Al-Nao never closed its doors. Now, as the hospital recovers, staff say the recent honor for their head doctor reflects the commitment that kept this place operating. Abdallah Hussain, TRT World, Omdurman, Sudan.